Unveiling the Shine, Understanding Superstar. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a word that dazzles in the realms of entertainment, sports, and beyond: superstar. It's a word that often appears in headlines, songs, and everyday conversations. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it like a pro. So, let's get started and light up the linguistic stage with the sparkle of superstar. The term superstar refers to someone who is extremely famous, especially in the spheres of entertainment or sports. The super part of the word signifies being above and beyond in ability or fame, while star indicates a bright, celestial object that stands out in the sky. When combined, they create a powerful image of someone who shines brightly in the public eye, outshining others in their field. Interestingly, superstar hasn't always been part of the English lexicon. It's a relatively modern term, gaining prominence in the 20th century with the rise of mass media. It was first used to describe iconic figures in the film industry, whose fame would reach stellar heights. Over time, it has come to be associated with anyone who reaches the pinnacle of success and fame in any field, be it music, sports, or even business. Now, let's see how to use superstar in a sentence. You might say, "The team's new player is a real superstar, scoring more goals than anyone else this season." Or, in the context of cinema, "She was a superstar of the silent movie era, captivating audiences around the world." The term can also be used metaphorically to praise someone's exceptional skill in non-entertainment contexts, such as, "My mother is a cooking superstar." The concept of a superstar goes beyond individual achievement. It often implies a wider cultural impact. A superstar can influence fashion trends, catchphrases, and even public opinion. Their endorsement can catapult products or causes into the spotlight. This means that the term carries weight and can imply a role model status for many people who admire them. It's not all glitz and glamour, though. Being a superstar can come with intense pressure, lack of privacy, and high expectations from the public and the media. It's important to recognize that behind the dazzling facade, superstars are humans who face challenges and hardships despite their fame. That's a wrap on the term superstar. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning, usage, and cultural significance of this sparkling word. Remember, whether in the sky or in society, a superstar is someone who stands out for their exceptional talent and influence. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more language learning content. Shine on, and see you in the next video.